We're going to take a look on the weekly chart in here at Amazon. We did close above that key psych level of 220 in here, only by about 20 cents, but we still closed above it here on the week. So that is going to be key for us as we work ourselves throughout the next few trading sessions. 220, that's what we're looking at. Anything below there, you're going to be looking at this 218.40 and then down here at the 208.49. Now, anything above the 220, say we keep on continuing with this momentum that we're having here in aftermarket with a nice hold of that 220, then we're going to be looking up here right around that 9-day EMA. So this is going to move, right? So it's exponential. So it's weighted to the most recent date in here. We're going to be looking at the 225.93. That's currently where it's trading at. So above 220, our next big resistance is going to be this 9-day EMA in here, currently trading at 225. And then anything above there, we are going to be looking at this 234 level or this upper trend line, whichever one does come first. So obviously, the more weeks we go through in here before we get to that 234, this trend line might come down here and we might end up breaching that before the 234, or we might hit the 234 beforehand. It all depends on how many weeks it's going to take us to climb back up here. But again, 220 was a good key close for us in here. We're going to see if we can continue this aftermarket push that we've had. We're about $1 up from that 220 right now. So trading right around that 221 area. We're going to see how everything opens up at 4 a.m. And how that's going to dictate everything for us in here. But 220 is key for us. Anything below that, 218.40. Anything above, we're watching the 225s, just keeping it simple in here. $4 expected move by Friday. So you got a couple more trading sessions in here to kind of play with. Good IV, good liquidity all around, obviously. You're always going to get that in Amazon. $8 expected move by next Friday. If you go out to October monthly expiration 10/17, that is going to be a $13 expected move priced in by these options traders. So we're going to see what happens in the next few days. 220 is going to be key for us in here to hold. Anything above that, we're looking at the 225, below 220, 218, and then 208. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.